Hello students, multiplication table 11. I have framed the question. Now we are going to find the answer. Any number, if you are multiplying with 1, you will get the same number. So check here. Here I am having 2 ones. That is in ones place also 1, tens place also 1. Into multiply with 1. What is the answer? 1 into 1 is 1. See, 1 into 1 is 1. Next again, 1 into 1. Next, 11 into 2 equal to, take the first 1. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Next, 1 into 2. 2. 22. Next, 11 into 3 equal to, take 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Next, 1 into 3. That is 33. You are having 2 ones. So I am multiplying each one with 4. Now, see 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is 4. Next, 1 into 4. 4. 44. 11 into 5 equal to. First take the 1. 1 into 5 is 5. Again next 1 into 5 is 5. That is 55. 11 into 6 equal to 1 into 6, 6. Next 1 into 6, 6. That is 66. 11 into 7 equal to 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 7, 7. 77. 11 into 8 equal to, let's take this 1 into 8, 8. Next 1 into 8, again 8, 88. 11 into 9 equal to 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 9, 9, 99. 11 into 10 equal to, listen here, we are having 2-digit number, right? So first take this 1 and multiply 11 into 1. 11 into 1 is 11. Next leave this 1 and what is the remaining number you are having? 0. 11 into 0. Any number if you are multiplying with 0 will be 0. So the answer is 110. Let me say the table now. 11 into 1 is 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. 11 4s are 44. 11 5s are 55. 11 6s are 66. 11 7s are 77. 11 8s are 88. 11 9s are 99. 11 10s are 110. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel eMath Tutorial. For other multiplication tables, you can check my link in the description. Thank you.